This printed sofa cover doesn't just protect your furniture, it does so much more. Equipped with customizable designs, high-quality fabric, and a variety of patterns, DecoPrint becomes a canvas for your style preferences. Whether you prefer classic motifs, modern geometric shapes, or even a personalized photo collage, DecoPrint is the curator of your living room aesthetic, offering elegance in every thread. It's not just a sofa cover, it's a symphony of personalized home elegance. It doesn't just confine itself to one style, it adapts to your diverse home decor needs. The customizable design allows you to tailor it to suit different moods and occasions, ensuring that you have an all-in-one solution for various decor challenges. Whether you're going for a chic look, a cozy ambiance, or a vibrant burst of color, DecoPrint is a versatile marvel that reinvents the art of sofa covering. It's not just a printed sofa cover, it's an avant-garde solution to your home decor versatility. Operation is a breeze with DecoPrint Elegance Wrap. No need for complicated setups or intricate adjustments. The user-friendly design ensures that you can easily drape the cover over your sofa with minimal effort. The durable fabric and secure fit ensure stability, making DecoPrint Elegance Wrap a reliable indulgence for your daily relaxation. It's not just a sofa cover, it's an easy upgrade to a world of personalized home elegance. But what about durability? DecoPrint Elegance Wrap doesn't just prioritize style, it prioritizes longevity. Crafted from high-quality fabric, it withstands the demands of regular use and varying lounging conditions. The personalized design and secure fit maintain their effectiveness over time, ensuring that your sofa cover remains a reliable and stylish choice for the long run. It's not just a sofa cover, it's a durable investment in the comfort and aesthetics of your home sanctuary. Now, let's talk about the experience. DecoPrint Elegance Wrap isn't just a printed sofa cover, it's a sensory delight. The personalized touch, the variety in designs, and the overall enhancement of your living room, it's a symphony of modern home elegance. The experience isn't just about covering your sofa, it's about turning every lounging moment into a harmonious blend of comfort and personalized style. Thanks for watching. That's it for today, guys. Remember to hit the like and the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.